Our planet, Earth, is experiencing a change, a warming trend that is impacting the delicate balance of life as we know it. Understanding this change, global warming, is crucial for our future. We see the evidence all around us, from melting glaciers to more extreme weather events. These changes affect every living thing on Earth. It's time to pay attention to the warning signs and learn about this global challenge. Our actions today will determine the kind of world we leave for generations to come. In simple terms, global warming refers to the gradual increase in Earth's average temperature. Imagine Earth wrapped in a blanket of gases called the atmosphere. This blanket traps heat from the sun, keeping our planet warm enough to support life. However, human activities are making this blanket thicker. This traps more heat and causes the Earth's temperature to rise. This increase in temperature, even if it seems small, has significant and far-reaching consequences for our planet and all its inhabitants. The primary cause of this accelerated warming is human activity, particularly the burning of fossil fuels such as coal, oil and gas. When burned, these fuels release greenhouse gases, primarily carbon dioxide, into the atmosphere. These gases trap heat, much like the glass walls of a greenhouse. Deforestation, the clearing of forests for agriculture and other purposes, also contributes to the problem. Trees play a vital role in absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. As we continue to burn fossil fuels and clear forests, we release more greenhouse gases, exacerbating the greenhouse effect and accelerating global warming. The consequences of global warming are widespread and impact various aspects of our planet and our lives. Rising temperatures cause glaciers and ice caps to melt at an alarming rate, contributing to rising sea levels. Coastal communities and island nations face an existential threat from inundation. Extreme weather events such as hurricanes, droughts, and heat waves are becoming more frequent and intense. These events cause widespread damage, disrupt food production, and displace communities. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns disrupt ecosystems, threatening biodiversity. Many plant and animal species struggle to adapt to the rapidly changing conditions. Section 5, Real-World Impacts, a glimpse into the future. The effects of global warming are already being felt worldwide. Low-lying island nations like the Maldives are facing an existential threat from rising sea levels. In the Arctic, melting ice caps are shrinking the habitats of polar bears, putting their survival at risk. In many parts of the world, extreme heat waves are becoming more frequent, leading to heat stroke and other health problems. Droughts are becoming more severe, causing crop failures and water shortages in many regions. These events can lead to food insecurity and social unrest. Section 6. The urgency of now, why we must act. The scientific evidence is clear. Global warming is real, it's happening now, and human activities are the primary cause. The longer we wait to take action, the more severe the consequences will be. We have a moral obligation to act, not just for ourselves, but for future generations who will inherit the planet we leave behind. The good news is that we have the knowledge and the tools to address this challenge. We need to act decisively and collectively to transition to a more sustainable future. Section 7. Individual actions, collective impact. While the scale of the challenge may seem daunting, every individual has a role to play in combating global warming. We can reduce our carbon footprint by making conscious choices in our daily lives, such as using public transport, cycling, or walking instead of driving alone. Conserving energy at home and opting for energy-efficient appliances can significantly reduce our household emissions. Supporting businesses and organizations committed to sustainability also makes a difference. Section 8, Shaping a Sustainable Future. Addressing global warming requires a global effort. Governments, businesses, and individuals must work together to transition to a low-carbon economy. Investing in renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydropower is crucial to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. Implementing policies that promote energy efficiency and sustainable practices is essential. International cooperation is vital to share knowledge, technology, and resources to combat this global challenge effectively. Section 9, a shared responsibility. The Earth is our only home, and it's our shared responsibility to protect it. By understanding global warming and taking action, we can create a more sustainable and resilient future for generations to come. Let's act now with urgency and determination to mitigate the impacts of global warming and preserve the beauty and diversity of our planet for future generations. Our collective action today will determine the legacy we leave behind. Remember, even small changes can make a big difference when we all work together. Let's be the generation that turned the tide on global warming and secured a brighter future for all.